Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today in this video we'll show you how to change order of clips on CapCut so you can rearrange your video scenes easily and create a smooth flow from start to finish. Step 1. Open CapCut on your PC or mobile device and create a new project, or open an existing project where your clips are already added to the timeline. This is where all your video clips are arranged in sequence. Step 2. Look at the timeline at the bottom of the screen and find the clip you want to move. Tap and hold the clip until it becomes selected. This allows you to reposition it within the timeline. Step 3. While holding the clip, make sure to turn off Linkage button. Drag it left or right to the position where you want it to appear. As you move it, CapCut will automatically shift the other clips to make space, helping you see exactly where the clip will be placed. Step 4. Click Turn Off Magnet. They'll automatically make sure they are all snapping next to each other. So I can move this around and put it exactly where I'd like it to go. Step 5. Finally, play the video from the beginning to preview the new clip order and make sure everything flows smoothly. After that, you can continue editing or export your video. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful CapCut tutorials.